Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below, and coming in a somewhat uncommon guard metallic color. Looks very nice, especially in the sunlight. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120-volt power outlet there. And the seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here. You have a fully digital cluster, and you can cycle through trip 1 and 2, your eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance settings, and fuel economy. Then you can also go into your truck info, such as tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance features again. You also have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen, where you can, similarly to your My View, put any of those subcategories there for ease of access, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features, such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer. And then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, hazards, traction control shut off, and then above that you do also have a B&O audio system in this truck, so your music's going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls here, with dual zone front climate and heated and air conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, your trailer brake controller, your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet with this button above, so you can open the compartment above your glove box. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have this compartment here with another USB and USB-C with a slot for your phone while it's charging or whatever else. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed flat, so you can have more open space here for whatever you want. And then you have 2 cup holders, and finally your lockable center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room, including another USB and USB-C. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.